Hello students. Today in last video we have discussed about the multiples and factors. What are the factors and multiples? So it is helpful to understand the concept LCM, means least common multiple. Today we are going to do this alone. Listen carefully, understand carefully, so that if you understand the least common multiple means LCM, in next video I am going to do about the HCF. Okay, let us see that what is the LCM. LCM means least common multiple. Okay, here LCM is the least common multiple among the multiples of the two given numbers. If they are given any two given numbers, sometimes they may give the 3 also, 4 also. Okay, what kind of numbers they are giving and how we are going to find that, I am going to explain in this video. Let us see that in LCM we have two methods. For the finding LCM. First we will discuss about the methods for finding LCM. Sure, to find the LCM, there are mainly in two methods we can find, that is the prime factorization method and the division method. And second one is division method. So friends, overall to find the LCM we have two methods. First one is prime factorization method and second one is division method. So in last video we have discussed about that prime factorizations, means what are the prime numbers and how we can factorize. Let us see in this LCM how we can do with prime factorization method. So here I am going to explain detailed examples regarding prime factorization method and division method. In both methods I will explain first. Next I am going to explain what kind of questions they are asking in Navodaya entrance exam. So students, see here in prime factorization method, first I am going to explain you how we can find out the least common multiple. The first method, that is the prime factorization method. Okay, in prime factorization method, before going to start this one, we have to recall that what are the prime numbers. Okay, and how we do that factorization method in factors and multiples chapter. Let us see that. I will take one example here. I will take one question. Find the LCM of 2, 4, 8. So I have taken here three numbers. We have to find out the LCM of these three numbers with the help of prime factorization method. Okay, in this method how we can find, let us see, we have to write all these numbers 2, 4 and 8. Okay, and with the help of the prime numbers we have to factorize. Okay, let us see, once again I will inform you that what are the prime numbers. The prime numbers are, it is divisible by 1 and itself. Those are called prime numbers, and 2 is the smallest prime number. And one more method we have to follow here while doing this LCM, while finding the LCM. Always we have to take here the prime numbers and we have to start from the least number, which is the smallest prime number is there. From that we have to start. If these numbers are not divisible by that prime number, then we can go for next prime number. For example, if these numbers are not there in 2, then we can go for 3, 5, 7 like this. Okay, let us see, is it divisible by 2? In 2 table these numbers are there, so we can write here 2 how much the 2, we have to say 2 how much the 2, 2 1 the 2. Okay, now in 2 table 4 is there, we have to check, is there 4? 2 how much the 4? 2 2 is 4. Next, 2 how much the 8? 2 4 is 8. Now again 2 and 4 are there, so 1 it's completed. So not need to continue this one, or you can write as it is 1 1 1. any one method you can follow. Okay. Now 2. 1 as it is you can write or you can leave. 2 how much are 2? 2 1s are 2. 2 how much are 4? 2 2s are 4. Now again 2 is there, so you can take 2 here. 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 2 1s are 2. So all these should be 1. If all this should be 1, you can close this one. So now we have to write therefore the LCM of 2, 4 and 8 is, what is the LCM? We have to write. These factors we have to write here. 2 into 2 into 2. So we have to multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So what is the LCM? LCM is the 8. This is the factorization method. One more sum I will explain you in the same method. So that if you can't understand, again if I repeat here, it is easy to understand. Okay. This is how to find out this LCM. The same method, one more example, means one more sum I am taking here. I am taking here 3, 6 and 12. Already I told you we have to take here factor numbers and we have to start from the least number. So which is the least number? 2. Okay. In 2 is that 3? No. So right, if 3 is not there in 2 table, what we can do? We have to write as it is 3. As it is. Okay. Because we can't divide that. So in 2 table 6 is there? Yes. 2 3s are 6. Again we have to check. In 2 table 12 is there? 2 6s are 12. So again we have to think from the 2 only. If it is not divisible by 2, then we can go for 3. So the 6 is there in 2 table, so we can take 2. 3 as it is, 3 as it is, 2 3s are 6. Now what numbers you can see there? The 3. So directly you can take 3 because 3 is a prime number. So we can take here 3. 3 1s are, 3 1s are, 3 1s are. So the LCM of, last we have to write this, the LCM of 3, 6 and 12 is, these numbers we have to multiply. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So what is the answer here? 12. So these are the 2 examples. Again I am going to explain you next what kind of questions they will ask. But before that, this is the prime factorization method. One more method I will explain you, so that you can decide which method you want to do. Any method you can do. Which method is easy, that method you can follow. Now next time I will explain that division method. So students, to find the LCM, division method, just this is for your knowledge I am explaining you, but don't go for this method. In HCF you can go for division method, but LCM just for knowledge I am explaining here how we can do. So here we have to write all these numbers in a row, and left side we have to see that is there any factors of this number. For example, this number we have to observe, is this a factor of this number? If it is a factor of this number, we have to remove this one, because from 2 we can divide 4 and 8, no? For that reason we have to remove. And again we have to see, we have to compare these numbers. Is this number is a factor of this? Means from 4, is it divisible yet? Yes, it is divisible. So we can remove 4 also. The LCM how much? LCM is 8. This is for your knowledge, but I will refer you that you have to follow that prime factorization method only. Okay students, now I will explain you what kind of questions they are going to ask in the Navodaya entrance exam. Here they asked question number 1, find the LCM of 12, 18, 24. They are given here 3 numbers, 12, 18 and 24. We have to find out the LCM. Here, let us see how we can do. First we have to write these in columns, 12, 18, 24. Because I told you, you have to find out, follow the prime factorization method. So you have to take your prime numbers. So the numbers are, all numbers are even. So we can take 2 here. Okay, 2 how much the 12? 2 2 6 are 12. You can put like this line if you are confusing. 2 6 are 12. 2 how much are 18? 2 9 are 2 how much are 24? 2 1 are and 2 2 means 12 2 are 24. Now let us see next. Again 2 how much are 6? 2 3 are 6. In 2 table there is no 9, so keep as it is. Take down this one 9. Okay. Now 12 is there. 2 how much are 12? 2 6 are 12. Again you can take here 2. Okay. Until it will complete. No, don't take other numbers. You continue with 2 only, because in 2 table it can be divisible. So 3 as it is, 9 as it is, 6 is there in 2 table. 2 3s are 6. Now here it is not possible to take 2, because it is not possible to divide these numbers, means 3 9 and 3 is there. So with 2, so we can take here 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Okay. Again we have to take as 3 because 3 is left there. 3 1 as it is we have to write, or it can leave there only, and 3 1s are 3, 1 as it is. Now therefore the LCM of these last steps you have to write. LCM of 12, 18, 24 is, these numbers you have to write here. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now multiply this one. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 24, 24 3s are, like this all numbers you have to multiply, and after that multiplying we have to write the answer. Okay. Here only 3 1s are, 3 we should not write here anything, so remove this one. By mistake I have written one more. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 24, 24 3s are 72. So what is the LCM? The answer is 72. Like this way you have to write. They may give any kind of numbers. Sometimes they will give 2 numbers, 3 numbers. They may give 4 numbers, 5 numbers also. We have to write in the columns, and after that we have to do it with the same method. Friends, let us see here second question. I have written here same question. Find the LCM of 3, 5 and 7. Okay, we have to write this 3, 5 and 7. Okay, so we have to observe this carefully. Sometimes they will give like this questions. Means here what we can observe in this question means all the 3 given numbers are prime numbers. So if there are prime numbers are divisible by 1 and itself. So don't take here 1. We have to take that itself, means the same number we have to take and we have to divide. So 3 is there. 3 1s are 3. So 5 is not there in 3 table. 5 as it is and 7 as it is. Now 5 1s are 5. 1 we can write here, and 7 as it is. Now 7 1s are 7. Therefore the LCM of 3, 5, 7 is how much? We have to multiply 3 into 5 into 7. 3 5 are 15, 15 7s are 105. Now, one more thing you have to remember here, if all the numbers are prime numbers, not need to do this one, because this is to explain you I have did here. If the all given numbers are prime numbers and they will ask you to find the LCM, then you can directly multiply all those numbers. Means they given here 3 numbers, 3 into 5 into 7. Like this, if you multiply, you will get the LCM correctly. Okay, students? I think you have understood. Now, see here, it is little bit different question. In Navodaya entrance exam, sometimes they will ask like this questions. Means directly LCM means you can do. Here the question is they have not given here find the LCM. They given here some different find the smallest number divided by 42, 98 and 70. We have to find the smallest number. They have given the smallest number. That whenever they will give smallest number, you have to remember that you have to find out the LCM. Highest number means again it is the HCF. In next video I am going to explain that. So concentrate only about the LCM here. So we have to write here all the numbers 42, 98, 70. Okay, and we have to, because all the numbers are even numbers, so we have to start from the 2. See, smallest number divided means you have to do the LCM. Don't confuse that. Okay, sometimes after exams, after completion of the exams, you will tell no. Actually, the questions it is out of pattern, out of syllabus. Actually, it is not out of syllabus and not out of pattern. Same is there. Something twist is there in the question. That you have to understand. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So, if the numbers are too much big, if the numbers are big, if you can't do directly how I am doing here, you can do in rough. We have to do here 42 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. We have to take 2. 2 1s are 2. This answer you have to write here. Like this, next number also you can do rough. I am not doing here rough. You can do. You have to do the rough work. If you know this after practicing, then you can do directly. So one more thing we can observe here. I told you that least number we have to take, but all these numbers are in the same table. That time you can take a big number. That you have to apply because it will save your time. Here, 21 is there, 49 is there, 31 is there. All these numbers, it is there in 7 table. So we can take here 7 directly. So next steps it will become very easy. 7 3s are 21, 7 7s are 49, 7 5s are 35. See how much is it? The numbers will be big. Now you can see here the numbers small. If the numbers are small, again you will become very happy. Understood? Because you know that 3 table, 7 table and 5 table. So now 3 1s are, you can take 7 as it is, 5 as it is. Now 5 1 as it is, 7 as it is, 5 1s are 7 here, 1s are and 1 as it is. Now you have to multiply all this 2 into 7 into 3 into 5 into 7. If the number is too big, again here we have to follow the rough work. We have to do the rough work. In rough you have to multiply 2 7s are 14, 14 3s are 45 like this into 5 into 7. Here I have calculated in rough and I will write directly here. The answer is 1470. You don't write directly here. You multiply 2 7s are 14, 14 3s are and into 5 into 7. Like this you have to multiply and write this. Friends, like this sums you can put any kind of different 3 numbers, 4 numbers and you can solve this. If you solve 50, hundreds questions in your notebook, if you practice, then only the LCM becomes very, very easy for you. Students, see here, one more question. I am increasing the level of the difficulties here. See, I make the question first, understand carefully. The 3 bells ring at the interval of 12, 15 and 18. Here, 12 minutes, 15 minutes and 18 minutes respectively. They started ringing simultaneously 9 AM. Here, correct 9 AM. 9 AM they rang simultaneously, means all at a time. Okay, but what they have started, it is 12 minute and 15 minute and 18 minute. Okay, what will be the next time when they all ring simultaneously? Okay, one bell is there, it's continuously ringing after 12 minutes. Another bell is there, it's after 15 minutes, means after every 15 minutes it is ringing. And another bell is there, after every 18 minutes it is ringing. Okay, in some after some hours, it may be 1 hour, 2 hours. Again, they will ring simultaneously. Means at a time, all they will ring. Understood, students? So what they have asked, 9 a.m. they rang all at a time. So what is the next time? Means it is 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock or 1 p.m. Like this. What is the next time? All they will ring simultaneously. See here, it is very simple. The question is very big, but answer is very simple. First, we have to find out the LCM of this 12, 15 and 18. Don't include here 9. We have to find out the LCM of 12, 15 and 18. So this is very simple. You can do. After this, one more step is there. I will explain you how you can do this one. Here, 2 6 12, 15 as it is, as it is not there in that table. So 2 9s are 18. So again, is there any numbers in 2 table? It is there. 2 3s are 6, 15 as it is, 9 as it is. So next, we can say here all these numbers are in 3 tables. So we can take 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, and 3 3s are 9. So 3 1s are 3, 1 as it is, 5 as it is, 5 1s are 1 as it is, 1 as it is. Now we have to write all this. LCM, what is the LCM? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So 2 2s are, multiply this one, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 5s are 180. So 180 we got, but in time, is it there 180? So this is in minute we got, because these are all in minutes. That you have to observe. This is minute. Now we have to convert. If you convert this, very simple. So in 1 hour, how much minutes? 60 minutes. So if you divide 180 by 60, 0 0 cancel, 6 1s are 6 3s are how much? 3 hours. Say here, we got 3 hours, but the last time they simultaneously rang at 9 o'clock. So to that 9 we can add 3. 9 plus 3, it becomes 12. So what is the answer? The next is 12. Yeah, we can write 12 p.m. We are not going to do that, because morning is there, means afternoon we are going to write p.m. So the answer is 12 p.m. In options they will give 10, 11, 12, all this. Okay, this is the regarding this one. Actually, the last question is very very important, because this question they may ask in any competitive exams also. This is not only for Navodaya entrance exam. If you understand this one, after that degree, when you will grow up, when you are going to write the entrance exams, that time these kind of sums are very very useful. So practice more and more the sums like this. Okay, related trains, bells, all different kinds of that questions they will ask. Okay, if you want to write down this one, make pause the video and you can write. Like this, students, you practice, because mathematics is a subject which makes easy after the practicing. Okay students, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like, and please comment, because after commenting that I can say how it is. No? It may be negative, it may be positive, but please comment. Thank you.